Employability Skills, Semester 2 Question Paper of 2018. Common for all. Choose the correct answers. 1. The percentage of small industry sector is of whole industrial production of the country. A. 25%, B. 50%, C. 70%, D. 80%. Answer is B. 2. The reason for failure of an industrialist are A. Tough competition, B. More expenditure, C. High rate of product, D. All of these. Answer D. 3. Full form of DIC is A. Direct Investment Center, B. Delhi Industrial Corporation, C. District Industry Center, D. Dual Investment Corporation. Answer C. 4. When was Indian Financial Corporation of India, IFCI, established? A. 1948, B. 1946, C. 1951, D. 1956. Answer A. 5. How many banks were nationalized on April 15, 1980? A. 4, B. 6, C. 8, D. 10. Answer B. 6. Which of the following was established as an ancillary organization of Indian Reserve Bank? A. IDBI, ISIS-IC, IFCID, all of these. Answer D. 7. First cotton mill was set up in A. Kolkata, B. Rajasthan, C. Gujarat, D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer A. 8. Members in partnerships are A. 1, B. 2 or more than 2, C. 100. D. 500. Answer B. 9. Important thing is selection of an industry is A. Demand of product, B. Capital, C. Nearest transport facility, D. All of these. Answer D. 10. The most developed country is A. Germany, B. Japan, C. Switzerland, D. Russia. Answer B. 11. Which are the sudden risks? A. Fire, B. Accident during working on machine, C. Injury, D. All of these. Answer D. 12. Workmen Compensation Act was implemented in A. July 1923, B. December 1923, C. July 1924, D. December 1924. Answer C. 13. Arrangement of must be available in industry in which women workers employed. A. Creche, B. Maternity homes, C. Canteen, D. Restrooms. Answer A. 14. Production work due to strike or lockout. A. Cost increase, B. Panic increases, C. Fatigue increases, D. Stops. Answer D. 15. The vowels in English are A. E, I, O, U, B. IUB, C. ABNX, D. Court. Answer A. 16. Best price or zero cost is A. Quality leadership, B. Poor quality product, C. Discounted cost, D. None of these. Answer A. 17. Quality means A. Zero error, B. As per requirement, C. Meeting the standards established for the product, D. Both, B. and C. Answer D. 18. Recycling, the cost of product A. Decreases, B. Increases, C. No effect, D. None of the above. Answer A. 19. 80% problem are found in 20% work. This concept was given by A. Deming, B. Crispy, C. Uran, D. Pareto. Answer D. 20. Continuous reform process uses cycle A. PDCA, B. SGAC, QCD, none. Answer, A. 21. The aim of Kaizen is to remove the A. Useless items, B. Productivity, C. Personification, D. Negligence. Answer, A. 22. How many countries are the members of ISO? A. 58, B. 91, C. 101, D. 56. Answer, C. 23. Hand protection is done in industries through A. Helmet, B. Goggles, C. Gloves, D. Mask. Answer, C. 24. Suggestions under Kaizen may be implemented. A. Within a week, B. With the approval of CEO, C. Immediately, D. At the time of expansion. Answer, B. 25. The long-term benefits by using 5S system is /R. A. Efficiency, B. Safety, C. Increase in profit, D. All of these. Answer, D. For more previous ITI question papers, subscribe now Academy Online for you and see in playlist. Thank you.